Alright, so this is semi-gloss. Has a little bit of shine, but that much. This one is gloss. It's super shiny. And difference is about 30-40% shine. This one is Satin Black. It's right in between matte and semi-gloss. So Satin has, I would say, about 20-25% shine, and matte black has no shine at all. We used to call this flat black. This one is matte black, gloss, semi-gloss. But since our vendor calls it a little bit different, we have to change the names. So from now on, this is gonna be matte, no shine at all. This one is gonna be Satin Black. It has a little shine. This is gonna be a Glossy Black. And this is gonna be a semi-gloss. It has a little less shine than the Glossy Black.